Ever wondered why that elusive GPA number holds such sway over your academic journey? It's more than just a figure on your transcript, it's a passport to a world of opportunities, from college admissions to competitive internships and jobs. So, buckle up as we unravel the mysteries of the GPA and empower you to take control of your academic destiny. The GPA, or grade point average, is a standardized measure of your academic performance. It's calculated on a scale of 0 to 4, with 4 representing the highest possible score. The process might seem intimidating, but fear not. It's a lot simpler than it sounds. So how does one calculate a GPA? First, assign a grade point to each of your courses. An A typically equates to 4 points, B to 3, C to 2, D to 1, and an F to 0. Next, multiply these points by the number of credit hours for each course. The result is the quality points for each course. Add up all these quality points, then divide by the total number of credit hours. Voila, you've got your GPA. Now, let's address a common concern. What if your GPA isn't where you want it to be? Don't despair, improvement is always within reach. Start by setting realistic goals. Aim to improve your GPA by a few points each semester rather than aiming for a perfect 4 from the get-go. Next, optimize your study time. Experiment with different study methods to find what works best for you. Whether it's flashcards, study groups, or self-quizzing, the key is consistency. Don't shy away from seeking help either. Professors and teaching assistants are there to guide you. Attend office hours, ask questions, and seek clarification on complex topics. Engaging in class discussions can also enhance your understanding and boost your confidence. Remember, a well-rounded student shines brighter. Participate in extracurricular activities, volunteer work, or internships. These experiences not only enrich your college life, but also give you an edge in the competitive world beyond academia. So, there you have it. Mastery over your GPA is not a far-fetched dream. It's a reality waiting to be grasped. Embark on this journey of academic excellence, and remember, every step forward is a step towards success. Before you dive headfirst into your textbooks, do us a favor. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and share it with your friends. Together we can turn academic hurdles into stepping stones. So go forth, conquer your GPA, and remember, the sky